How to send email in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following three questions for you. Question number one, how to set up a dedicated email sending domain in HighLevel. Question number two, how to create email campaigns in HighLevel. Question number three, how to send emails using workflows in HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo sub account. When you're in your demo sub account or my demo sub account, you may land on either a launchpad or dashboard when you get into your sub account. First thing you want to do is you go down to settings and you want to go into email services, and then inside of email services this will prompt you. It says important notification, boost your email deliverability, dedicated sending domain for improved email delivery. So this explains a little bit about what you want to be doing and why you want to be doing it, and then you want to click this blue button, create dedicated domain. You click on that, and then you have to add your email domain you want to be sending email from, and it suggests using a subdomain with it. You don't have to. However, it's probably a good practice to do so. So they give you an example is saying LC. LC stands for Lead Connector, which is the software that they have created in order to connect these services to these other services, right? Like Mailgun, which is what they're using here. If you want, you can also use MG, or you can use something else entirely. But I would either use LC or MG probably most of the time. So you could do something like LC dot your business domain name.com. If this isn't generic enough for the system and actually will work, if I click add and verify, we should be all good. If I click add and verify and it gives me a prompt that says this has been used in another account, it just means that this dummy domain I'm using is someone else has tested it out to, or is using it as an example. So we'll see what happens. So add and verify, and it looks like no one's using it currently somewhere else, so that's good. But of course this is just a dummy example, but your business domain name would go in there instead. And then what you want to do is click add record manually, and then you want to create these records that suggest the TXT record, a CNAME record, and these two MX records. Plus there'll be a DMARC record that's not listed here, that once you create these, click verify records, and it takes you to another page, which I'm going to show you right now. And when it brings us to this next page, all these will be verified if you've added them correctly. If you haven't, they'll show not verified. And then you'll have this DMARC record, TXT DMARC record, that you need to add that is not included in those original records. And then once you have that added, you'll want to click verify again, and that verify button's behind my pretty face down in the right hand corner. Okay, so once that's all configured correctly and you got this to say all these not verified say verified, you're good to move on. The next thing you want to do is go back, and you want to go into marketing, perhaps, if you're going to go this route, so you can build email campaigns through marketing, then going to emails, and then campaigns. And then from campaigns, you can create new campaign, and if you click the blue new button, it'll let you choose a template if you want to, or you can start from blank if you also want to, so it depends on how you want to go. And then you would just go ahead and choose how you want to edit it, either using the design editor, which is visual drag and drop editing, code editor, which is feature-rich HTML editing, or plain text editor, basic, clean, no frills text editing. Typically you'll want to start with design editor so you can drag and drop some of the elements into it. It makes it much easier. So we'll do that. And then once this loads, you will have this blank canvas, so to speak, with a couple things. It says view this email in browser, start from scratch, and you have all these elements over here you can add, right? So if I need text, I can drop a text box in, I can change padding, I can change a lot of things here. If I want to add more elements, I can click plus elements again. If I want to add a logo, I could drop a logo in here. If I want to remove this section, I can just click the trash can and it removes it. If I want to add a footer, I can drop a footer in here. And then of course our email address is listed there, and it has a copyright, but you need to be adding in the mail, like your physical business address too, so you would have to modify this to add that in as well. If you want to be CAN spam compliant. And then of course you can add other cool things as to this to make it as pretty or simple as you want, depending on what you want to do, right? You might want a divider in here between the logo and the heading, or the heading in the footer, that sort of thing. So when you're happy with it, then you would just click into here and name your name the actual campaign. So this would be campaign name #1 or whatever. And then you can do 3 dots here. You can test your email by putting in a from email address, a sender name, send to, with preview text and with the subject line. You can also go ahead and preview the template, see version history, and see file attachments. Then you can just click save if you're happy with it. You want to just save it. Or you can click send or schedule. If I click send or schedule, it takes me over here. I can send it now, I can schedule it, I can batch schedule it, I can RSS schedule it. I would fill in my sender email, sender name, subject line, preview text if I want some preview text, or I can have it blank. I can choose my recipients, I can choose all my contacts, I'm from a smart list, choose contacts from tags. I can decide if I want to track clicks by turning that on, and I can also do UTM tracking by enabling that as well. And then when all these fields are filled out correctly, this blue button will be active to send. If I want to schedule it, all that changes is I click this, and then I have these options to schedule at different day, time, and all the rest of the information remains the same. Batch schedule does something similar. You pick the time you want to start it on, the batch quantity, the days you want to send, the start time, end dates, and then all the rest remains the same. And then the RSS schedule is a bit different. You need a RSS feed URL, and some of the batch settings are still there. So you have all these options to send a campaign out to email from HighLevel. Now let's go back to Builder. Let's go back out of here. So that's using the emails and templates and campaigns. The other option is to go into automation, and in your workflow, create a workflow to send email from. You can either select a recipe or start from scratch. We start from scratch. We're simply going to add an action here, and this action will be email. It'll be send email. And then on the send email, you will put in, if you want to name that email so you can view it better, from name, from email, subject. Then you can select one of your templates if you want. If you do that and you select one of them, then it'll show you what the template may look like, and you can test it out. If you decide you want to write your own email from scratch in a workflow, you can do so as well. That's usually the way I go about it. And then you can format it and do things to it that you want. It's more like using the plain no frills editor that was the third option from the campaign screen. And again, you can test it, and then behind my video here is a save button that you would save it. So if I move myself out of the way, I can click save, and if it doesn't let me save, it's because it needs some information like a subject line. And if I try it again, it might prompt me, it did not, for any more information. So now it's there. If I want to edit it, I can do things like click on 3 buttons. I can comment, I can copy, move, or delete. If I click on it itself, it'll open it back up, and I can make changes to it. And I can save those changes. I can delete it here as well. And then when I'm happy with the workflow, I can click save. And I'd probably want to name this workflow something that made sense based on what I'm trying to do with sending email from it. So there you have it. That is basically the 3 different things you need to do or think about doing when sending email from HighLevel. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video, as always. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the 823.10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. And I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.